Okay, quick view. This drawing is in progress. I worked on it a number of hours today, December 22nd, 2022, and even more hours yesterday. And it's about Facebook companies having blocked my account of 13 years a year ago on December 26th after I criticized having videoed their TV commercials, which I saw in an ABC affiliate station, which had no closed captions. And then, which also rendered all the health, safety, education, Holocaust and human rights education with art, 2 different pages that I administered on Facebook. They're still up, but I can't use them anymore because Facebook refuses to transfer them to my current account. So Facebook execs show complete contempt towards Holocaust and human rights education, towards pedestrian and bike safety, and towards my 4 pages I had about vision harmful graphic design text and websites and hard copy publications. Anyway, lots to see here, and I'll leave it at that for now. The drawing is in progress. We have drawings I did in 1973, 1972, a portion of a linoleum block print I did in 2016, a drawing I did of a late uncle of mine in 1997, and a multi-image printing of a liner cut I did in 1972 called Vietnam. All right, to be continued.